Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Student, today our topic is exercise 1.3 creative question number 4. Lecture number 7, H6. Look, the creative question number 4. The product of two number is 3250 and the HCF is 13. A number is the given HCF prime or composite. That means you have to identify the 13 is prime number or composite number. B number, determine the LCM of the two numbers. Determine the LCM of the two numbers. There is given HCF. Now we have to find out the LCM of the two numbers. C number, if one number is 1/5 times of the LCM, what is the another number? Okay. So at first I will solve a number, and you see student, a number question is called the knowledge based question. Okay. And this is not related in exercise 1.3. You see a number, this is actually included in exercise 1.1, but as this is the knowledge based question, so we know in creative question in a number section, knowledge based question can be included from anywhere. Okay, so at first we will solve a number questions. Look, CQ4. We have to identify the 13 is a prime number or not. Look, 13 here, 13 is equal 1 into 13. That means 13 has factor only 1 and 13. Okay. The factor of 13, 1, 13. Okay. And you see there is no factor except 1 and 13. So we can say 13 is a prime number. Okay. There is no factor except 1 and 13. That is why 13 is a prime number. But why it is not composite number? You see student, the 13 has only two factors, 1 and 3, but it has not more than two factors. You know, composite number, suppose 6 is a composite number and it has more than two factors. You see 1, 2, 3, then 6. Okay, that means 6 has more than two factors. That is why 6 is a composite number. Similarly, you look 8. 8 is also composite number because it has more than two factors, 1, 2, 4, 8. You see here more than two factors. That is why 6 and 8 are composite number. You see again 19. 19 is a prime number because it has only two factors, 1 and 19. Okay student, I hope you understood. Now I will solve question number B. You see, determine the LCM of the two number. Determine the LCM of the two number. Right here, B number, given product of the two number is 3250. 3250 and the HCF is is 13. This is written in your question. Student, the HCF was 13. That means there are two numbers. The HCF is between the two number is HCF. Now we have to determine the LCM of the two number. Okay, students, right here, right, we know product of two number is equal HCF of the two number into LCM of the two number. LCM of the two number, or this can be written as product of the two number is 3250 and HCF of the two number is 13. Right, LCM of the two number. Look, product of the two number is equal 3250, then HCF of the two number is 13, this is given, and LCM of the two number. We have to find out the LCM of the two number. Therefore, you can write LCM of the two numbers is equal. You look, 13 and LCM of the two numbers, the relation between these two is multiplication. So, when you determine the LCM of the two number, this 13 will be division by this. Look, this can be written as 3250 division 13. Now, divide 3250 6 0 0. That means result is 250. Therefore, LCM of the two number. Therefore, LCM of the two number is 250, and this is the answer for B number. Now, I will solve question on C. You look here, C number questions. Look here, if one number is 1 by 5 times of the LCM, what is the another number? Student, look here, if one number is 1 by 5 times of the LCM, that means we have determined the LCM in B number. Now, from that information, you have to determine the one number. And another section, what is the another number? Okay. Now, write from B we have got from B we have got LCM of the two numbers is 250. Therefore, as per question, one number is equal 1 by 5 times of the LCM. 1 by 5 times of the LCM. Now we have to put the value of LCM. LCM we have got, LCM is 250. This can be written as 1 by 5 of 250, reduce, then we get 50. Hence one number is 50. Now we have to find out the another number, right? Given product of two number, product of two number is 3250. This is given. Now we have to find out what is the another number. Therefore, another number is equal product of two number divided by one number. This is equal, product of two number is 3250 and we have got one number is 50. Now divide 3250 by 5 6 30 250. Okay, this is equal what? 65. That means another number is 65. Okay, and this is your required result. Okay, student, how can we understood that this will be division? We know if the question is written sum of the two numbers, is suppose sum of the two number is 3250 and one number is 50, then how can we solve another number? Then as this is a sum of the two number, that means plus, so how can you determine the another number? Then you subtract 50 from this number if there is written sum of the two number, but if there is written product, then this will be division. Okay, student. Now I will solve question number CQ3. Question number 3. Look, student. CQ that means creative question number 3. 16, 24, 30 and 36 are some number. This is the stamp. A number show that whether the number 3036 are divisible by 3 or not. Okay, you have to find out now at first. B number, find the LCM of the numbers by prime factor. C number, what is the greatest number of 5 digits? If the number is divided by the given numbers, the remainder will be 10 in every time. Student, I will solve question number A and B, and I will give you some hints for solving question number C, and remember this is your SW. Okay, so at first I will solve A number. You see A number for CQ3, A number, given the number is given the number is 3036. Now we have to find out this number is divisible by 3 or not. Look, sum of the digits of the number three plus 0 plus 3 plus 6, this is equal 3036. Look, 6 plus 3 9 plus 3, this is equal 12. Okay, look, sum of the digits of the number 3036 is 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. Which is divisible by 3. That is why we can say 3036 is divisible by 3. Sure. Student, this is actually a knowledge based question, but this is also solving in exercise 1.1, okay, and exercise 1.2 also. In that exercise I will show how can you determine that this number is divisible by 3, 2, 5, 6 and 9. Okay. Student, remember in a number question in your exam, in a number question always different, okay, and this is will be a knowledge based question, okay. I hope you understood. Student, look, there is written we have to shown there this number is divisible by 3 or not. In the question this number or digit will be sense. There is written also 5 or 9 or 6. This number also sense, okay, but rules are same. Now question on B. Find the LCM of the find the LCM of the numbers by prime factor. Find the LCM of the numbers by prime factor. Now I will solve B number. Find the LCM of the numbers by prime factor. At first write given the number 16, 24, 30 and 36. 16, 24, 30 and 36. These are the given 4 numbers. Now we have to determine the LCM with the help of prime factors. Look, at first break now 16 by 2, 8, then 4, then 2. Then 24, how can 2, 12, then 2, 6, then 2, 3. Then 30, 15, then 3, then 36, 9, then 3. Now write here 16 is equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 24 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, then 30 equals 2 into 3 into 5, 36 equal 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore, LCM. You see here 2, 2, 2, 2, here also 2, 2, 2, 3. These are the factor. Similarly, 2, 3, 5, 2, 2, 3, 3. These are the factor. Look, where is the highest factor? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 here, 2. That means you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now here, how many 3 here? Only 1, and here only 1, and here is 2. So write here 3 into 3. Then got 5. 5 is only one factor. Okay. Now if we multiply with each other, then you get 720. And 720 is the answer for B number. Okay student, I hope you understood. Now I will solve question number C. No, actually I will not solve. I will show you how can we do the HW. Okay student. So let at first discuss. What is the greatest number? You see, what is the greatest number of 5 digits? if the number is divided by the given number, that means in B number we have got the LCM is 720, that is called divided by that number or given number, then remainder will be 10 in every case or every time. If I told you what is the greatest number of one digit, if the number is divided by the given number, that means 2, suppose 2, then what is the greatest number? Student, I told you 1 is the greatest number of one digit. 9 is the greatest number of one digit. Now I told you we have to find out such type of greatest number which is divisible by only 2, and that is also greatest number. Okay, how can? Suppose then how can you solve 2? Select 2. 4 to the what? 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. 9 minus 8. This equals 1. This equals 1. We have to find out one digit greatest number which is also divisible by 2. Then how can you solve? You say, sir, 9 is the greatest number which is divisible by 2. How can? 9 minus 1, this equals what? 8. If we that means if we subtract 1 from 9, if we subtract 1 from 9, then this will 8. This becomes 8, and 8 is divisible by 2. That is why we can say one digit greatest number which is divisible by 2 is 8. But if I do another case, suppose 2 minus 1, this equals what? 1. And if we adding 1 with 9, then 9 plus 1, this equals what? 10. 10 is also divisible by 2, but this is not one digit greatest number. Okay, this you see, this is 2 digits, and this is 2 the smallest number. So our valid result will be what? Our valid result will be 8. 8 is the greatest number which is divisible by only 2. Okay, student, now is your, I told you your SW. Your SW norm is 6. SW norm 6. SW norm 6. Question norm C. Only question norm C. What is the greatest number of 5 digits if the number is divided by the given number? By the given number, that means 720, which we got in B number. Then the remainder will be 10 in every time. That means after obtaining the greatest number of 5 digits, you have to add 10. Okay, then you get the required result. And your answer will be for C number 99,370. Okay, and this is your required result. Student, okay, I hope you understood today's topic. You have to keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again, inshallah.